Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find Living My Body filter on TikTok. So for that you need to go here. This is the effect gallery, and here I'm in trending, slide up, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and you got it. So if you're not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover and you can search for Living My Body, and here these are the video with this effect. Tap on it, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the filter name is there, purple flame. You have to tap there and you will be directed to the effect gallery. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. Tap there and you can use the filter from there also. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.